Spider, I'm seeing double. Say, I strong.
See?
No, wait. Say, I strong. You like it?
I like it.
Uh-oh. Don't be a bad Spider-Man. Help him up. Be a good Spider-Man. Oh, there you go. Up, see, up. There. Spider, that's right. You're Spider-Man.
Look at him.
I see. You're strong. Show me your big muscle. Spider-Man. Hi, Spider-Man.
Hey.
What you doing? Oh. Spider-Man. Woohoo! Spider-Man.
What?
You like your muscles?
Yeah, muscles.
You like your muscles? Like your muscles? Big and strong? You got your mask on.
Okay.
Oh, he's putting his batter's helmet on. What are you doing with your helmet? What are you putting your helmet on for?
Uh-oh, Mommy.
I see you. Where are you going? I don't think you need that on as well. I don't think that'll fit on the helmet. What are you doing, Spider-Man? Okay. Let's put Superman back. There we go. So strong. Okay. What are we doing now? Show me how fast you can run. Show me. Woohoo! So fast. Look how fast you run. Go, Spidey, go. Go. You gonna jump down? Here he goes. Whoa. Run, Spider-Man, run. Go get him.